Para naman may energy konti. Ayan. The moment we have all been waiting for is finally here. Take out your phones and roll your cameras as this launch is about to begin. And now, here to head start the much anticipated launch of CF Moto Philippines, of course annually here in Makinamoto Expo. Two of the best hosts in the country. No offense, Gino Rapino. Yeah. Ouch. But also making big waves and noise all around the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan natin ang #1 event host in the universe, Sam YG, and CF Moto's official ambassador and global sensation, Billy Crawford! Let's go! Okay, review!
Hindi dapat tatalo kami. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, Makinamoto, good afternoon. Welcome, of course.
Sam, good afternoon to you, brother. It's such a pleasure being here. Hello, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Pwede ba magingay ng konti? Yan!
Para medyo mahina. To the left, okay ba kayo? Mag-iingat tayo konti.
Hindi pa nakakainom. Dito sa kanan, magingay!
Dito sa gitna, magingay!
Parang hindi pa rin, no? Pwede bang sabay-sabay tayo? Paramdam nyo ang energy namin ngayon. Paramdam nyo, magingay! Ayun, so it's better.
So much better. Super excited to be here this afternoon. Alam naman natin, no? Every year may pasabog ang CF Moto.
Ay, absolutely. Alam mo, dito sa Makinamoto kasi, may pasabog every single year. This is my third time pa lang here sa Makinamoto. And every single year just gets better and better and better. And I would like to acknowledge someone very important because of Makinamoto. Of course, nasa likod natin. Tingnan mo, napipressure na nga ako, naninervyos ako dito dahil Mr. Zach Lucero nandito sa likod natin.
Pinapanood tayo. Diba? Ito, yun nga, diba? Si Gino, pinapanood tayo. Si Zach, pinapanood tayo. Napipressure ako.
Ako rin.
Usually, when nag-host ako, hindi ako napipressure.
Tingnan mo, pinapawisan na nga ako eh.
Sabi ni Mama Lu, ito lang yung hosting na may quota tayo. No? Kailangan 5 mabenta natin by the end of this hosting.
Minimum makabenta ng
5.
Okay. So please, mga mayaman, buy now. Anyways, Zach, first of all, congratulations once again. If you guys don't know why we're here in CF Moto, Zach kasi was one of the first to ever, like the pioneer of CF Moto here sa Pilipinas. Siya ang pinadala ng Pilipinas to check out all the CF Moto bikes.